Happy Saturday. So I wanted to do a new tablescape in the kitchen. So I got up this morning and created this vase. It's a DIY Trash to Treasure. I got these vases at Ross, a few years ago now, and I'm no longer doing this type of decor. So I went over with my spackle and decided to do what I call like a treatment. But I love playing in this clay spackle stuff. You can create some really cool textures. I have to run out and get some more at some point to do some other vases that I have in a different design. So I have lots of ideas. So if you have any old vases laying around, make sure you check out my channel or even Google and see how people are very creatively making over items they already have. It's a really nice way to do a trash to treasure with your own so-called trash. It's not really trash, but you know what I mean. And then I had some of this origami tape, so I decided to go ahead and wrap that around the vase as well. So I'm just going to go in the kitchen and clean up the kitchen table. We just joined a new gym, so we're excited about that. And I did go to Home Goods and found some of these black and white plates. I really wanted lime green, like I have in the living room, that color, but they didn't have any. No one had any. They had like St. Patty's Day green, but I didn't want that type of green. So I'm just going to clean everything off the table. And the pink is going away for a little while. Not for long, though, because it is my, like, Easter color. So it's coming back. But I just wanted to tone down the tablescape a little bit. And hopefully I'll find some green plates somewhere soon. I know I can go on Amazon, but sometimes I just like going into the store and finding what I need. That's, like, half the fun, you know? So anyway, I'm taking everything off, shaking out the crumbs on the table, and then I'm going to wipe everything down. See how much soap I was using? So I use way too much of this Dawn, but it's all good. Maybe that's why everything is filmy when I do my glass routine. I put too much soap in my stuff. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this table down, and then I'm going to take a clean towel with just water and rinse everything off. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of glass cleaner because someone mentioned on one of my videos that they actually love this product, the Sprayway, and they were like, try using less, and that works for them. So I'm doing all kind of gymnastics, y'all, under this table. I got to wipe down the metal legs because my grandbaby, he's tiny, so he goes under there and touches the legs. And then it's time for the good part. I went to Home Goods last night. First of all, I was so stressed out at work. I needed to go shopping yesterday, and I did. Even though I didn't really end up buying much of anything, I got the plastic plates at Home Goods for $6, and I got the little black dessert plates at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And I think that's all I actually ended up purchasing because they didn't have the green. But I was also looking for black napkins because I can't find the fourth black napkin. It's puzzling me, but it's not with the rest of the napkins. And I've kind of looked like through the garage where I normally store my decor, and it's not there. I don't know. I probably threw it away by mistake, knowing me. So I had to make one up out of a old shirt I happened to be throwing it away anyway because the lace got messed up because I dried it and forgot I wasn't supposed to dry it. I should have hung it. It's neither here nor there. So I ended up using that for now, and you can't really tell unless I give you a close-up, which I'm not going to do. And then after I figured out how I wanted the tablescape, I went back to the vase and decided to paint it in my, I think this is called limousine leather, if I believe. I'm obsessed with this color anyway. It's all throughout my house now. This was a semi-gloss though, and I really wanted, limousine leather. I wanted like a two-tone look because I saw this vase on West Elm, but I didn't have any matte black paint. But there is like a spray paint that you can do a matte finish in. So I'm going to see if I can find that. But at this point, it doesn't matter. What I really want to know, do you like the minimalist branches that I'm showing here? I like it. It's very nice, minimal, clean. Or do you prefer the overabundance of the cherry blossoms? Comment below. Let me know what you think. And y'all have a great weekend.